I told you, behind Miffy's eyes, there's deep ennui.
So this is actually not Miffy, but Melanie, the Miffy with soul.
Miffy with soul, I like it.
And this is Murphy. Miffy Cake. Murphy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Miffy Cake.
Miffy Cake. Yeah, you should enter the door like that. Someone there.
Sorry, Miffy.
No.
No. From now on, it's bearing silent witness, Miffy, because you can no longer speak.
I guess we could just eat it.
Oh yeah, look how good that
Let's
looks.
see.
Looks amazing. I'm just gonna eat that.
And there's no nuts in the Miffy Cake.
Yay!
Oh god damn, that's good.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay!
Show the cake to the camera.
Look at that. It's like a custard chocolate mousse cream yumminess.
Oh no, it's so sad. Look at it. Look, it's kind of like she's a ninja now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See?
Take a Miffy eye. Got it. You too, Carmen. I'm gonna do
Miffy is a cannibal now. This is so crazy.
It's so good.
It was really good.
Awesome. They tell you to climb that mountain.
It says, Arome Bakery, good job.
So good.